Don't even know. Hi.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and the shooting stars so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. What do we need the troubles? Why? What do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers. I'm thinking of haters. I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday. Worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing, and then of a break it. I'm thinking of habits. Yeah, I love a bad bits. Wish there was a sequel, not to the good parts, and I could have it. But most is bad days, unnecessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it amazed.
I just believe that I was going to come back because joining next level and you need testimony.
So today I'm traveling. I'm currently in the train. I'm going to Charleroi. Charleroi is the second airport in Belgium, in the Wallonia district, in the French district. So yeah, I'm inside the train and I can't make out the next bus stop because I forgot my glasses in the house, and I don't know how I'm going to function for the next 5 to 6 days, because not only did I forget my glasses, I am short-sighted. I can't see things that are far from me, and my vision is blurry. It fell, but I'm hoping it even fell in my room, and I don't know if it fell anywhere around my house. I think my neighbor, Frenchman, would pick it up for me, but I'm not sure. But I hope so, because it fell. I picked it up and it fell again. I thought I actually had it, but when I got into the train, I wanted to check the number, if I'm in the right train, and I discovered that it was so blurry, like, because I'm short-sighted. So anyways guys, I'm traveling to the UK. Spend the next couple of days with me touring the UK. I'm not really touring, I just want to go and rest because I'm kind of tired. I just worked for like 2 days this week, and I'm already looking forward to this trip. Actually, I have like 2 reasons for traveling, or 3 reasons that you'll find out as this vlog progresses. So I don't know, I might just not, let's just see how it goes. I'm just vlogging. In fact, I even forgot to vlog when I got back from work. I was so tired. I was packing like a in fact I was like a maniac when I got back from work, doing food, doing things, making sure my passport is in my bag, making sure I'm set, and I still forgot my makeup, and I still forgot my glasses. So you see, this is why it's not good to rush. Alright guys, so I'm waiting for the speaker to come up so I know where I am. Because I'm supposed to have 2 stops left and we stopped at 1. I think the next one should be my stop, but I can't make out the writings. Let me show you the distance between me and the display board in the train. So that's the display board, and I have to wait for the announcements to come up to be sure, and then yeah, make my way to the airport. Oh, see you guys soon. I just got to the airport. I just checked in from immigration. So apparently I actually did not know how this flight works, because this is my first time going to the UK via air. The first time I went with bus. Second time I went with bus. So at the France border, they have to like stamp you out, right? So when I was coming, I kept seeing arrows and arrows. I was wondering, am I lost? Because you know that I don't wear my glasses. So I was like, am I lost? But then I now remember that we have to go through customs because we are going outside the European area. So I had my passport stamped by the French immigration, by the French police, and then now I'm just waiting. So I'm about an hour and 15 minutes early for my flight. So
if I stay, would you be lying to me?
I just got in. It's 1:05 a.m. I'm so tired. Me and this is my 9th journey. So yeah, I came back and there was dinner already. I'm so happy that at least I came back and there's food to eat. I just want to sleep. Yeah, I just want to sleep. Like, I just want to sleep. You see how many times I'm repeating that. I'm so exhausted. So I'll see you guys in the morning and let's see what we can do tomorrow.
Got away. The memories are our mistakes. We can never make it true. Our deception slips right through. What did I do? I must have been so careless. Progress too soon. But you got me so breathless. Can we work it out this time? Oh, you.
Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, I'm in the UK currently. I'm just here for a couple of days. The reason I came in today was to see my partner and also to see my sister and do some things. Hi guys, so I'm finally ready and I'm set to go, and this is my full outfit. I'm wearing a thermal leggings and I'm also wearing a socks, but then I can't wear shoes because my feet hurt from yesterday, so I'm wearing this. And this is my full look. I want to go to the post office to pick my BRP card. So hello, I want to pick up my BRP card.
You can start, please.
Yep, thank you. My Google Maps not working, so I have to go back to the house and then come back. Sorry. Thank you. A lot of people are just staring at me. My lips were chafing, so I had to put lip gloss. So now I'm looking like a fine girl. My data stopped working all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. I don't think my data has finished because I have 50 gig. I don't even know. Hi. I thought people were staring at me because of this camera. Sorry. I don't know how this whole vlog is going. I'm just vlogging my day, and I don't know how that light thing still works. It doesn't turn red or green or something. It just keeps blinking. So I only wait to cross when other people are working on it on the zebra crossing, and I follow them. So it's kind of crazy at the moment, but I think after now I just want to go back home. This is my spend the day with me vlog. I think that's what I'm going to call it. Spend the day with me doing random things in the UK. It says 10 minutes to Asda.